much of it. This is what it looked like. As you can see, I started right here compared to that part right there, and that's what the rest look like. Give me about a good 45 minutes and I'll be done. I say that was a good 20-30 minutes. I'm gonna show y'all what I did so far. I had a gas up, but look at it now. Thing look pretty compared to that over there. Stand on top of it. See the difference? See how brown that look? How dark that look? All the way around. Well, y'all, had to take a break. Let him do something, but that's finished. All this finished. Even the top part finished. Well, you know him to get finished with this part. This is the least bad part. We don't care, we get him. No matter how tall they is, we're gonna figure it out. Some way, somehow. The owner, Chris Harshaw. Concrete next. That thing gets pretty now. Clean that thing from head to toe. From head to toe. Just like he doing the other side. Clean. Spot right there, but other than that, ain't clean. One Stop Pressure Washing Mobile Detailing. Give us a call. 843-304-6316. Once again, I'm going to show you after the porch. Before, after, before, after, before, after. Give us a call. We'll come to you.